Lina Klaus. This German artist moved from Bavaria to Hong Kong. After studying fashion design, she brought her love for colors to transform beautiful artwork by using rubbish. On the boat, Lina Klaus spoke to us in person about our task and briefed us on the agenda of the day. As we passed the other boats, we saw lots of rubbish, styrofoam floating on the water. We had to walk a little way before we got there, and by the time we reached the beach, our first thought was that we cannot possibly collect so much rubbish. However, after everybody's contribution, we collected a lot of trash, color coordinated it, and created a lot of artwork. This whole process took a lot of research and multiple environmental organizations helping out. In the end, we got the message and created some beautiful art.